Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how to use, customize or redesign RESTly portfolio add-ons. For doing this job, first you need to go to your Elementor backend page and go to your RESTly portfolio. Just take and paste here RESTly portfolio. This is RESTly portfolio add-ons. You see, this is fine and nice customized RESTly portfolio add-ons. Here you see select style. Here is 5 style. Just we use one style. This is style 2. This is style 5. Okay, I use style 1. Then show by category. If you want to show your portfolio by category, just enable this and select the category. Digital security like engineering. Okay, you see. Then select item spacing for item. This is spaces by item. I use 1. Okay, and style 2, right? 2 or style 4. Now I style 1. Okay, like as you like. Then select item column. There is 4 3 2. I use 2. Okay, 2 column. Then show item. I show 6 item. Okay, here is 2, here is 2, and here is 2. Okay, and enable pagination. Just enable the pagination. Okay, or if you don't need, just disable the pagination. Okay, then go to a style and box shadow. Who want to add box shadow, you see this is box shadow. Okay, okay. Blur, if you need any blur, then click here, add here and spray it here. Then pagination inside outline. Okay, then box shadow clear. Border type, if you add a border type, just click here, or if you don't need, just none. Then border radius. Okay, this is border radius. I just some border radius need. Okay, then margin and padding. Finally content. Here is content alignment. Okay, content alignment central. I use left. Okay, and background type, if you need add a background color. Okay, then background color, content background color. Okay, I use white, like. Okay, you see this is content background. And border radius done. Margin padding. Then category type, this is category. As a category, text color, hover color, typography, and title. This is title. This is title color, title hover. Like I change the title color red. Okay, you see this is title color change. Okay, then go to advanced, and here is margin padding and position index, data index, css id, css classes, and background color, border color transform. All add-ons are same this advanced option. Okay, hope you understand how to change or use RESTly portfolio add-ons or customization. Thank you.